Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to install OBS Studio software on your Windows laptop or desktop. OBS Studio is a software used for recording and live streaming video contents in your live streaming platforms like YouTube, Twitch, etc. So let's see how we can do this on a Windows laptop. You can now see my desktop, and I'm going to go to a website from where I can download OBS Studio. You can just search for OBS Studio and you land upon a website like this. So here you have options for installing on a Windows laptop or on a Mac OS or on a Linux platform. So whatever your platform is, you can opt it, and in this case I am going to opt for Windows. So that's going to give me a file right here, which will be downloaded in a few seconds. It's a small file, around 85 MB or so. And now I can just open it up. Just click it and it opens up and ask for some permissions. Yes, click yes. Then click next and agree to everything. Just install, that's it. In some cases, there can be instances when you require an additional software to be installed on your computer for running this thing. And that software comes as a Visual C++ redistributable. So it's easy to download whenever you are invoking this OBS Studio installation. It asks for you to install if it is not there in your computer. So let's just launch OBS and see what happens, whether it is working also. Yes, something is happening. Yeah, something is popping up. Yes, it is. So it is working. It's fine. Just click on optimize for recording and then go to next. It analyzes something and just gives you a blank screen. Depending upon your hardware quality and your webcam and everything, it will be setting the optimized settings for your computer, for your OBS platform. So apply the settings and that's it. That's how you install OBS on a Windows platform. I hope it is clear, and we'll see in another video.